Hi, my name is Peter. I'm with Transspring USA, and today we're going to talk about what items this filling machine can work with. Been getting a lot of questions recently asking, well, what cartridges will this machine work with? How do you know if the cartridges you have will work with this machine? So I'm going to give you a quick rule of thumb here on some of the items that can be filled by this machine, but then we'll move on to show you how this machine fills a lot of different items. One of the greatest traits of this filling machine is its versatility. It can literally work with just about any item that can be A, filled from the top, B, small enough to be arranged in rows and columns on this 8-inch by 8-inch moving platform. So as long as those two conditions are met, this filling machine can usually fill that item. So we're going to show you some of those items right now. Without any further ado, check it out. Now, one of the more common cartridges that are filled by this machine is the 9.2 cartridge, or A2 cartridge. This is plastic with a wick heating chamber and comes in variable sizes from 1 ml to 0.5 ml to 0.3 ml. This machine can work with these cartridges very easily. Let's see it in action. And one of the other cartridges we get questions about are these glass and metal cartridges, the ones that feature a glass casing with a metal tube coming out the middle. These ones are a little bit trickier to fill by hand, so we get a lot of questions asking whether or not they can be filled by machine. The answer is absolutely. We have a special jig here that actually takes these cartridges and tilts them at a 15-degree angle, if you can see it, allowing the needle to come straight down in and fill these with relative ease. Let's see it in action. Another cartridge that can be filled very easily are the Transspring model A4 cartridges, which are actually ceramic cartridge with a plastic casing on them. They feature a center fill hole much like the 9.2 cartridges, but are able to be filled very easily by the machine as well. They just feature a different capping mechanism. Let's see the machine filling these. And we can even fill small bottles such as this e-juice bottle right here, very simply by just calibrating the machine to move into each one of those bottles and fill them up. Check it out. Now you can even fill small little silicone jars such as this with a slight adjustment to the needle length and the deck height. So let's see it in action.